సమావేశాల్లో టీఆర్ఎస్ ఎంపీ జితేందర్ రెడ్డి మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. అలాగే చూద్దాం.
Activity, I want to ask why the water is not used effectively. Agriculture Sahab, Mantri ji, Radha Mohan Singh ji, as records, we understand that there are 40 crores acres of land under cultivation. पूरा देश के अंदर में 40 करोड़ एकड़ कल्टीवेशन में है. अब थंब रूल ये है, तो थंब रूल इज 1 TMC of water irrigates 10,000 acres of land. वो थंब रूल है. 1 TMC of water irrigates 10,000 acres of land. For 40 crores of land which is as per the records cultivable land which is in the country, it shows that 40 TMC of water will be sufficient for irrigation. When we are having 70,000 TMC of water every year, so why can't we give proper water to each and every state? Why can't we really train the rivers? Why can't we really have a proper irrigation system in the country? Whereas the neighbor, if you see, this is Himalaya and the other part of the side is China, and this part we are there. There in China, sir, from the south to the north, up to 1,200 kilometers, they are taking the water, laying a pipeline. But here we are having a lot of fights between the states for getting the water. Some areas are flooded and some areas are having drought. The central government should look into judicious allocating the surplus water to the needy states. There should be no water wars between states such as Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, AP, Haryana, Punjab, Odisha, Chhattisgarh. Our state was also deprived of water and rights to access water. Our part of the share was taken away to Andhra from Krishna and Godavari. Therefore, we decided to launch multiple major and minor irrigation projects, of which most have been completed in last 4 years, sir. I'll be talking about these projects in detail. First, I would like to talk about, sir.
Time is over. Sorry. So we have to calculate up to 5:30 now.
Sir, मेरा इसमें से दो ही अभी तो ये घड़ी अभी देखा सर, मैं 2 ही मिनट हुआ मेरा.
नहीं यार.
दो ही मिनट हुआ अभी. First, I would like to talk about the rainfall in Telangana. As of 2 minutes में खत्म. As of 24th July, we had received normal rainfall this monsoon season of 310.1 mm with a deviation of only negative -1 mm. About 21 districts have received normal rainfall, while 4 have received excess rainfall and 6 districts have deficit rainfall. Yes, sir. Hence, the vision of our leader and the Honorable CM KCR has to be commended. In English, we say, mend the roof when the sun is shining, or prevention is before cure. Prevention is better than before cure. Okay. Following this example, the government of Telangana has undertaken irrigation projects as a massive scale in order to protect the people of the state in the event of drought or unforeseen climatic change. Our efforts have already shown results, as in the last 2 to 3 years, we have not faced any major floods in the region. The irrigation projects are basic requirements to prevent occurrence of floods. Historically speaking, the region of Telangana has a rich heritage in irrigation projects right from the time of Kakatiya dynasty of the early 10th century until the Nizam's rule in the 21st century. Many ponds were constructed across the regions. Nizam and Kuli Qutub Shah implemented similar water conservation